While we were told by the Indian media that her country was so magnificently blessed by the United States with a civil nuclear deal, shadows of the dark are suggesting otherwise. Contrary to the popular perception, this deal is anything but near to the signing.
We have reached an understanding on civil nuclear liability.
Shocking changes have been happening in the Indian government before and after the visit of US President to India. The much celebrated chief of the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has been sacked by Indian government. Insider reports reveal US apprehensions of the man's suspicious links with unwanted individuals in the Arab world pointed towards nuclear proliferation. As if that wasn't enough, placing the entire blame of failing to get the deal signed, India has abruptly sacked her yet another celebrated and highest-ranking diplomat, Sujata Singh. Reasons to these tremors in defense and foreign ministries of India lead to the nuclear web of India killing her own population. Welcome to the nuclear power station of Tarapur, located in Maharashtra. 8-year-old children dying of cancer and sick adults being denied medical reports from government health center here is the norm. The reason: continuous leakage of radiation from this nuclear plant, slowly poisoning innocent villagers to death. Rajasthan, shown for the desert men dances, but known for the high prevalence of cancers and tumors caused by Rajasthan nuclear power station in the region. Madras Atomic Power Station in Tamil Nadu has operated in the past without environmental clearance. As Indian media reports, the plant has a severe leakage problem with its end shields. And as far as Indian claim of nuclear security are concerned, the man employed to guard the reactor recently has killed 3 of his colleagues in a shooting spree.
Kalpakkam nuclear plant is a highly secured area. It's a highly sensitive area, and CISF, at least 1,000 CISF security personnel are deployed to protect the nuclear power plant. But all the 6 of them involved in this incident are security personnel who have been deployed for the security of the plant.
Villagers living in 100-kilometer radius of Kaika generating station in Karnataka are found suffering from a host of diseases related to the radiations, including cancer. The Narora Atomic Power Station in Uttar Pradesh has the unique honor of causing an accident that came close to joining Chernobyl and Fukushima. In the horrific incident, workers abandoned the heavily smoke-filled control room for 13 hours, leaving no man in charge of controlling this death machine. Another power station in Gujarat that goes by the name Kakrapar has recently in 2011 been cause of yet another radiation leak which left several workers exposed to lethal dose. Their fate today is nothing near healthy. Is the India-US nuclear deal taking the world to a nuclear disaster? Will the civilized world hush the matter up? Or will it speak what is needed at this point of time? Should the world gear up to take on a nuclear holocaust? Or will sense prevail? If you too do not want the merchants of death to succeed, please support the Twitter hashtag and say no to the nuclear deal for India. Care for the planet and for our generations that are yet to come.